Hi everyone, Attorney Rachel Kelley here, and here's another one of my biggest mistakes that I see. So one of the biggest mistakes that I see people making is hiring attorneys who are not experts or specialists in divorce and child custody related disputes. So here's what I mean by that. A lot of people may not realize this, but particularly in Michigan, we do not have certifications available for attorneys where they can be certified by the state bar in specific types of practice. Other states do offer that, but we don't have that here in Michigan. So, and we also in Michigan do not require continuing legal education of our attorneys. I know it's kind of shocking because it feels like something that pretty much everywhere should require, but they don't. And so as a result, it's very common, particularly in smaller communities, for attorneys to handle a variety of matters. We would refer to these attorneys as people who do general practice, where they take cases about this type of thing, and that type of thing. They might take criminal cases, they might take boundary line disputes, and they'll do a divorce, right? They'll do all different kinds of things. And in general, it's okay to work with someone who doesn't have a specialty in custody and parenting time or in divorce if your case is run-of-the-mill. But if your case has any special issues, or if your case involves sometimes even just retirement assets, oftentimes I will see people opposing counsel, but sometimes clients who come to us to fix what another attorney did, I will see them reaching agreements that just don't make sense to me as a seasoned divorce attorney. And I often wonder if it's because the attorney that they were working with just wasn't a specialist in family law. Now listen, again, any attorney in Michigan can technically handle any type of matter. There is no special requirement outside of being admitted to the federal bar and patent practice, and that's sort of a whole separate matter. There's no separate requirement that you have to have certain types of training to do certain areas of law. I just personally believe that if it takes 10,000 hours to become an expert at something, that there is really no way to be an expert attorney in every single different type of law because there's just not enough time in the day. And so ultimately, for clients who meet with us, even if they don't end up hiring us, we often refer people to other specialists, to other people that we know that even if they're not going to come up with the same strategy that we would or the same advice that we would give, at least we know that they have the tools in their tool belt to give good advice under specific family court related scenarios. I hope that this video has been helpful. If you have any questions about your divorce or child custody dispute, please give our office a call. We're here to help.